to another episode of Literacy with Miss Lee and Moby. In today's lesson, we are going to be learning about the doubling rule. Before we start, I'm going to teach you two suffixes that you need to know in order to understand this lesson. So a suffix is a part of a word that you add at the end of your base word to change the tense of it. So today we're going to be talking about ed and ing. Ed means past tense. That means it's already happened. So when you see that at the end of a base word, it tells you it's already happened. And ing, when you see that at the end of a base word, it's an action word. Or in other words, it's a verb. So it's something that you are doing. So we're going to take a word and we're going to add these two suffixes to make up a new word. So my word is rest. Ready? Let's finger spell the word rest. Rest. Perfect. Rest. Now let's add the ed suffix. What's my new word? Rested. That means I've already rested. Let's take the same word and make it into a verb. Rest plus ing makes resting. Something that you're doing right now. Something that you did, past tense. A verb, something that you're doing right now. Resting. Let's try a different word with the same suffixes. My word is jog. Ready? Let's finger spell the word jog. J-O-G. Jog. Jog. Now let's add my ed suffix to make it past tense, something that I've already done, which I have not. And that becomes jogged. Let's do the same thing with ing. Let's make it into an action word. Jog plus ing makes jogging. Good. Now I want you to take a real close look at these two words. Do you see something that I added that was not originally in these two words? I added a double G to these words. Why in the world would I do that? The doubling rule. So I need you, let's do some math. Yes, reading involves math. There are some words in English that do not change when you add that suffix ed and ing, like we saw in resting and rested. We did not add anything to the word. We just took the root word and the suffix and bam, added them together. But there are some other words that we need to double that final consonant. I will tell you how you know which words you need to double. And you just have to remember 3 things. Easy. 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is all you need to remember with the doubling rule. I'm going to tell you what they each stand for. So, how am I supposed to know when I'm supposed to double the word? Well, first of all, the word has to have one syllable. So one syllable. It has to have a one short vowel. And it has to end in a consonant. Consonant is all the other letters that are not vowels. One. Let's put it to the test. I'm thinking of a word. My word is, let me think. Can. Ready? Let's finger spell can. Can. We're going to take that word and we are going to add the ed suffix. But first, let's try to figure out if we need to double it or not, or double the final consonant or not. Let's see if it fits our rule. Can. Is it one syllable? Can. Yep. Let me write it down so you can follow along. Can. One syllable? Check. One short vowel? Check. It ends in a one consonant? Check. That tells you that that double consonant or that final consonant has to double when you add ed or ing. Canned. Canning. So remember, one. In a one syllable word, one short vowel and ends in a consonant. Now, I'm going to give you a quick quiz before we end. I'm going to give you a new word. My word is fishing. Well, actually, my word is fish. Let's see with fishing and fished, if we have to double that last consonant, the consonant or not. So let's go over our 1-1-1 rule. Is it one syllable? Let's see. Fish. Yep. Does it have a short vowel? Let's see. Sh. Yep. Does it end in one consonant? That's a digraph. It does not end in one consonant because it has two. So that tells me that it does not follow our double rule. So I am not going to double the H when I'm adding ed or ing. Fishing. Fished. So next time that you find yourself thinking, does that have a double consonant at the end or not? Always remember one. One syllable, one short vowel ends in one consonant. So I do hope you learned something today and you apply this new knowledge into your writing. And I will see you next time. Gracias. Thank you for coming.